Welcome to Casa de la Nueva Vida, Malibu, California. Look at these welcoming doors to greet you when you arrive to the home. As soon as you arrive, you will enjoy the views the minute you walk up the stairs and you see the big blue Pacific Ocean. It's blue and glistening today. The living room has a fabulous big screen television, smart TV, beautiful sitting area. But the very special part is the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen, granite counters, maple cabinets, just very open and welcoming. Big dining room table. And then you can go outside on the deck. And when you go outside on the deck, nothing but a big, big view. So lovely. You can sit out in the deck in the morning and at night, and you will enjoy Malibu. So let's go downstairs and take a look at the rooms. There are 3 bedrooms on the next level, all with queen-size beds, and all with nice views of the ocean and greenery from every bedroom in the home. Here's the second bedroom. Again, the big, nice television, big blue ocean views. Then we have a beautiful hall bathroom with black granite on the counters, lovely maple cabinets, tub, shower. Then you have your master bedroom over here with a big walk-in closet and a big queen-size bed with beautiful views of the ocean from this deck that is off of the master bedroom. So you see blue everywhere in this home. It's just so magical. It'll make you so happy. You hear nature, birds singing, but you don't hear dogs barking and issues in the neighborhood. Here's the master bedroom and the master bath. Maple cabinets, stand-up shower. So this is my little piece of paradise, and I know you will be very, very happy here with your friends and family, making lots of loving memories. So please come visit Casa de la Nueva Vida and enjoy the aroma of the flowers out in the garden, all the beautiful Bougainvillea, and a front patio as well. Thank you, and please select Casa de la Nueva Vida for your next vacation.